Hi, this is Lana Lisa Williams, and I'm at a Central California airport. And I'm going to walk outside and show you the airport. So hold on, here we go. Turning the camera around. So we're going outside. And you can see in the distance a plane took off. I don't know if you can see that. It looks pretty small right now. And there's a hangar, and there's some small airplanes. There's a flag. We're not far from the actual tower. And we have big jets that take off here, airliners. And we even have, oh, there goes a smaller airplane taking off. And we've even had presidents land here to visit Central California. And the governor. Oh yeah, speaking of the governor, the whole point of my video today, which is, what's today? Friday, August 27, 2021. And the whole purpose of my video, I'm going to turn the camera around so you can see me. Yeah, the whole purpose of my video, it's bright out here, is to say, recall Gavin Newsom. Yep, recall him. He is not a good governor. He does not care about the people. You can hear that airplane in the distance, really loudly, a propeller plane getting ready to take off. So I don't know if you can hear me. Great timing. Oh, it's getting quieter as it goes. Anyway, for 2.5 years, I have asked Governor Gavin Newsom to release my husband, Jose, from prison. He's in a prison in Central California, not far from where I am at the moment. And Governor Newsom has never answered any of my many handwritten letters, my email typed up letters, and my special paperwork, official paperwork, asking for a commutation of my husband's sentence. He hasn't answered me because Governor Gavin Newsom doesn't care about the people. He cares about himself and his power. And he asks all of us to go with masks on and stuck in our homes while he goes to a fancy French restaurant without a mask with a bunch of friends, not social distancing. And that's not right. And if Governor Gavin Newsom cared, he would have at least answered one of my letters in the past 2.5 years and said, well, thank you for writing me, but I can't let your husband out of prison, or something. Even just acknowledging that I exist would have been nice. So there's the airport behind me. California needs to go places, and Gavin Newsom is not the one to take us there. He's not a good leader. So I am saying, recall Gavin Newsom. Going to turn the camera again, and we're going to see the planes in the airport, and there's the tower. Recall Gavin Newsom, because we in California, we need someone who actually cares.